Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We've been delighted to acquire this beautiful Suzuki Vitara 1.4 Boosterjet SZ5 manual, finished in Galactic Grey Metallic with cosmic black pearl roof section. Car was registered 6th of September 2019, done 28,600 miles. It's one owner from new, and it's just been serviced in June of this year. Beautiful car, really well spec'd as well. Front and rear parking sensors. You've got these chrome embellishers around the lights there. Polished alloy wheels. Keyless entry. Privacy glass. Rear parking sensors there. Fantastic car seats. Really durable, the best of Japanese engineering. 60/40 split rear seat system, mats are there for the vehicle. If you look at the interior here, condition of the boot plastics, there's really unmarked. Rear bumper is in excellent condition. Load area covers all in place, complete with strings, all fixtures and fittings. This car will come with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty, encapsulating 12 months Suzuki roadside assistance. At TW White & Sons, we take any vehicle in part exchange. We'll be as competitive as any of the online companies, those that wish to buy your car, those that advertise on national television. We will be as competitive as they are. So you come along here, safe in the knowledge that you can part exchange your vehicle, getting a highly competitive price, and we will give you the very best customer service we can. Beautifully finished car this. Leather and suede interior with seat height adjuster, electric windows all round with auto touch facility on the driver's window, electric door mirrors. If you look up here, you've got a panoramic roof, which I'll show you in a second, which is electric with an electric sun blind. First array of switches we come to are lane departure warning. It's got smart city brake support, traction control, engine stop start button. Really well spec'd, these vehicles, and beautifully finished. So I brought the key in, there it is. Keyless start, depress the clutch, engine stop start button. There it goes. 1.4 Boosterjet engine. You can see there 28,694 miles. I don't know if we can get that any clearer. Left hand side tachometer, rev counter. Right hand side the speedometer. Just beneath that, fuel gauge. On the tachometer just beneath that you've got the temperature gauge. Up above there, central display. You can change elements of that with this button here. It's got lane departure warning. So you can see it's got 86 miles left in the tank. Gives us various statistics on the MPG, instant readout driving time statistics, idle stop start statistics, motion sensors. Really well spec'd. And if I keep my finger on this button here, we can get into the vehicle's main menu like so, and you can adjust things like how you read your distance in units. You can adjust how you read the fuel economy, language, fuel reset, temperature, parking sensors, clock setting, door locks, lights, TPMS, tyre pressure monitoring system, sign, traffic sign recognition, the lot. Back gives us this display. So here on the multifunction steering wheel, we'll just turn the lights on, actually give us a better view of this multifunction steering wheel. You've got stereo controls there with mute button, mode button, which will alter between the sources of this marvellous Suzuki in-car entertainment system. Integrated Bluetooth with voice control, adaptive cruise control, and beyond this, auto wipers with variable speed on the intermittent, rear wash wipe, and auto lights there, and fog lamps on the inner part of that stalk. So really ergonomically a wonderful dashboard this. All the major controls centered around the driver. You've got climate control, air conditioning, which you just dial in the temperature you want. So we want it 18, press auto, it will direct the air automatically and adjust the fan speeds. If you want to come off that setting and use it as a manual system, just adjust the fan, takes it off the automatic. Mode button, if you're adjusting things manually, where you want the air to go, self-explanatory. You can see the display changing. Demist, heated rear window, air conditioning, recirc button, or taking air from the outside in. Taking air from the outside in is probably the better adjustment, keeps the car mist free. USB socketry down there, 12 volt power socketry, and you've got a wonderful 6-speed manual gearbox, very smooth shifting, very short throws between the gate, making this an ideal driver's car in town and on the motorway. Really great specification. Here, this is all touchscreen, so we've got DAB here, so press that. You've got FM1 to AM DAB, press that again, 6 presets per waveband. And if you look at this cog button here, you can get into the sub menus, so things like sound settings, bass, treble, fader, bounce, equalizer presets, speed dependent volume control, which will adjust the sound level to compensate for any road or engine noise. Back button here, home screen, go into this, satellite navigation. The map looks like this, wonderfully clear. You can set up an address through town or postcode, points of interest nearby, so say I wanted to find, I don't know, banking and business, automatic teller machine, comes up with a range of options, highlight which one you want to use, press the nav button, execute the command, away you go. It'll take you to where you want to go on this marvellous sat-nav system. So again, press the cog button, you can get into the sub menu to do route options, guidance and map settings, position and GPS info, my points of interest, geo coordinate format. Home screen, integrated Bluetooth with voice control. Again, you can set up your phone, delete these ones obviously. Cog button takes you into a sub menu, display incoming text message, use phone ringtone, etc. Home screen, this is very useful. You've got some Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Plug your phone in using the USB lead, and you'll get a range of icons that are on your phone up here on the screen. So if you're a subscriber to Spotify and you want to access a library of millions of songs, albums, etc., you can do that, and the sound quality will be superb. Again, you can go into the cog button here, Android connection priority, Android Auto. That's that. And then if I put it into reverse, you can see you've got rear parking camera, and you've got the parking sensor display, front and rear, on the center screen. So the closer you get to an object, the more those bands will show, or not, as the case may be. Electric sunroof, look at this. Electric sunblind, faultless in its operation. These are beautifully engineered cars, beautifully finished cars. Look at that. This goes all the way back. It's not just one of those fixed moon roofs, it goes all the way back. Built-in wind deflector there. Look at it, wonderful bit of engineering. They always work, these as well. I've been videoed hundreds of these Suzuki Vitaras, and this element of it is faultless in its display. Superb reliability with this car. Look at that. Really good spec. So just to summarize, we've got adaptive cruise control here, lane departure, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, mode buttons for the in-car entertainment, auto wipers, auto lights, main menu here. You've got straightforward instrumentation, adaptive smart city brake support, climate air conditioning, satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, front and rear parking sensors, and a reverse camera. Outstanding spec, but that's not at the expense of the marvellous fit and finish of this great vehicle. As I say, will come with 12 months Suzuki approved warranty encapsulating 12 months roadside assistance, 28,600 miles. Car's as good as buying a new one, to be perfectly honest with you. If you want to find out more about this wonderful top range Suzuki Vitara 1.4 Boosterjet SZ5 manual, finished in Galactic Grey, one owner from new, recently serviced in June, we will and have undertaken 101 point used car check where we checked everything: tyre tread depths, brake pad and brake disc condition, condition of the wipers, all the vehicle's electrical systems, etc. You're safe in the knowledge that you're buying a superb pre-owned vehicle here. If you want to find out more about it, please go onto our website, which is www.twwhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.